What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be powder coating an Edelbrock Intake. It's going to be going Illusion Purple, but with a little bit of a twist. When we put the clear vision on, we're actually going to take some clear vision and add a bunch of silver flake to it, and then we're going to go ahead and spray it down, and it's going to give it a little bit of twist, this Illusion Purple with a little twist. So if you like it, make sure you smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any other ideas of what we can mix with clear vision, comment them down below. We'll go ahead and make sure we share the settings in the video. That way, if you want to do this, you can go ahead and do it too. Let's get into the video. So we've got everything outgassed, blasted, taped up. Since this is going Illusion Purple, we're going to lay that down. Then we have a special clear vision that we're going to lay down on top after it gels out. So let's go ahead and get this laid down. Laid down the powder, it's time to throw it in the oven for about 5 or 6 minutes and let it gel out. Then let the part cool so we can hit it with this special clear vision. got the pieces gelled out, now we're gonna go ahead and lay down the clear vision, because this is Illusion Purple from Prismatic Powders. With this clear vision, as you'll see in this clip right here, we went ahead and added a ton of silver flake to it because the customer wanted it, so we actually have it in a custom batch. So we got a new powder cup, as you're gonna see here. Instead of a bag of powder, we're using this for our custom mix powder. But we're gonna go ahead and lay it on down here, the clear vision. It's going to be a 45 kV and a 45 microamps. Let's get to it. We're going to go ahead and throw it in the oven. We're going to get it hot, gel it out, make sure there's even coverage everywhere. As long as there's even coverage everywhere, we'll do the full cure. Let's get to it.